Traditionally, the cutting efficiency of the physical cutting technology of galvanized pipe has reached the ceiling, so it is difficult to improve the cutting efficiency. The introduction of laser cutting technology into the pipeline cutting industry can be said to be a technological change, saying goodbye to the traditional physical cutting. Laser tube cutting technology has the characteristics of high automation, high efficiency and high precision. It can work continuously for a long time and is very suitable for mass production. In terms of efficiency, the original galvanized pipe was cut into many small pipes, and it took about 15 seconds for the sub-blade to cut a section. Now the laser cutting is completed in less than 2 seconds, and the efficiency is improved by nearly 10 times. The traditional sub-blade is cut about 1,000 times each time. The sub-blade is seriously worn and needs to be replaced. The cost per time is hundreds of yuan.